Once you set up your self-employed 401k and you talk to your CPA about what you can contribute, I have an account with Fidelity, so this is a solo 401k. Unfortunately, Vanguard does not offer it. So we are going to purchase FSKAX, which is the total stock market fund for Fidelity. So it's very analogous to VTSAX. Unfortunately, I cannot invest in VTSAX without paying a fee through Fidelity. So I'm just going to invest in the FSKAX for my self-employed 401k. Everything else goes to Vanguard, VTSAX. But this is how you do it. You log into your account. You connect your bank account. You can wire money over. And once you have a balance in the Fidelity account, you can go ahead and click on positions. And it's going to pull up a little drop-down tab where you can enter the actual symbol for what you're looking for, FSKAX. You enter the amount that you want to purchase, and you press preview order. Once you do that, you can go ahead and say place order, and then you can see all your activity in your account. And it's as easy as that.